Let's see how to add this Matter shade motor to HomeKit. First, you need to have a HomePod mini or an Apple TV device that supports Matter thread routing. I have already added a HomePod mini. This is crucial. Next, we scan the QR code on the motor. To add the device, scan the QR code on the motor and the app will pop up with the option to add blinds. Then, press the programming button on the motor head 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th press, hold for 3 seconds. When you see the motor flashing a green LED, it means it has entered pairing mode. After 15 seconds, it will time out. Then, click Add in the app. Wait a few seconds and enter the name you want. Here, I use first blinds. Addition is complete. At this point, you'll find that adjusting the blind's motor doesn't change anything and the motor can't be controlled. Don't worry, this is because the motor hasn't set limit positions yet, so it doesn't respond. Next, we set the motor limits. Step 1. Pair the remote control. Take out the remote. And first pair it with the motor. Press the motor head programming button for 1 second. The motor will jiggle. Then press the up button on the remote. The motor and remote are now paired. Step 2. Set the motor's upper limit. Press the prog button on the back of the motor jiggles. Use the up and down buttons to move the motor to the top position. Press the PROG button again, the motor jiggles again. And the upper limit setting is complete. Step 3. Set the motor's lower limit. Press the prog button on the back of the motor jiggles. Use the up and down buttons to move the shade all the way to the bottom. Press the PROG button again. The motor jiggles again, and the lower limit setting is complete. Now the remote controls the motor normally. It will stop automatically at the limits at this point. Using the Home app to control the motor works properly too. Using Siri voice control via HomePod is also normal perfect. Hi Siri, open first blinds.